What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? Um, how is everybody doing? I guess you guys are having a wonderful trading week, and we're using this weekend to just prepare ourselves for the next trading week. It's so boy Harlem, and I'm back. There's gonna be a weekly outlook for the coming week of the 14th all the way to the 18th, looking for what might be happening. Right, don't forget to like and subscribe and share and turn on the notifications so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. And to sign up with the broker that I use, the link on my description. Quick shit. So, guys, looking at the structure of the NAS, you can clearly see and that price is clearly bearish, right? Looking at this previous zone that we spoke about sometimes, that price came back for a retest and moved to the upside. And now that price is closed right there, what are we gonna do? Are we gonna break out, or are we gonna fall to break? And you can clearly see that price shows breaking out, creating lower lows, right? So when price has been creating lower lows like this, that clearly gave me a confirmation into saying price might be looking to continue bearish in some way. But why am I saying that for the coming week? It's because with price creating lower lows and lower highs, you can clearly see that where we closed and where we currently are, based on this previous higher low, when you clearly see that price at a higher high and a higher low and continue to the upside. This is some type of like intraday buy zone, right? But all we're waiting for the coming week is to be bearish at lower low formation and lower high. If price breaks out, then we clearly continue to the downside. But if we can fail to break, then I simply look for price to do what? To reverse and move to the upside, and that just gonna be it. But we're still sticking to the anticipation that price is bearish with creation or with the formation of lower lows and lower highs. We continue bearish, but we're just waiting for confirmation of price creating a lower low and breaking out, creating that lower and that new lower low and a retest for a lower high, and we anticipate a continuation to the upside, and there will be it. Looking at gold, gold I won't say much, but you also can clearly see that what we looked for the coming week, for the previous week on gold, is that long as price is still trading above the zone, we could continue to the upside. But if we trade below, then we reverse and send to the downside, right? Looking at where price is on our current market price, you can clearly see that this is also a previous intraday buy zone that price created, and price cleanly moved to the upside. Now that we're kind of like trading on this very same zone, all I'm now waiting for on my current on my trading on my trade idea is to just be bearish at lower lows, a break of lows. If price breaks these lows, and then I continue to the downside. But if price falls breaking above, breaking below, then I look for reversal and I be bullish, and there will be it. There will be it based on price having a strong buy zone and price coming back, breaking out to continue to the downside, fail to break, we move to the upside in anticipation of price creating this buy zone, and there will be it. Looking at German 30. German 30, I just don't say much, but I'm waiting for confirmation. Remember that price closed the week right there, and throughout the whole week, price has been moving sideways. I still am waiting for my anticipation of price coming back here for a fall to break or for breakout to continue moving to the upside, and that will be it. But I don't have a trade idea. I'm just waiting for confirmation. It was 30. So USDT, I also won't say much, but you clearly remember that price has created the zone, the support zone. And looking at our current price, you can clearly see that price is above our support zone. So what I'm looking for my trade idea is to just be bullish long as price is still above the support, and be bearish if price breaks out. And I still have some intraday lows or rejections that I need for price to do it, to tackle out, in order for me to anticipate a further continuation moving to the downside. But if price trades above and falls breaking below, then I continue moving to the upside, and that will be it. Do you guys get me? Looking at like USD CAD. USD CAD, I also don't have a trade idea, but we did share that if price has this retest, then we'll continue to the upside. And price did break this high and continue to the upside, and price created this high, with price pulling back, creating this higher low, and price coming back further, pushing to the upside, failing to break above this high, this higher high, and creating a high not having the previous high. I don't know what might happen. Is price gonna move to the downside? Oh, price be bullish and move to the upside? I don't know, but I don't have a trade idea. I'm just adding confluences to what I have to do, and that will be it, right? Looking at Tesla. Tesla, you can also see that on Tesla, we did say that we're just waiting for price to be bullish up after sold, but if price though trades below, then we continue bullish. And looking at this high, this low that price has created, that led price into moving clearly to the upside. Now looking at the price pushed and coming back to this very same zone, all we're looking for now is for price to break out, to be bullish, to be bearish, and for price to move to the upside, to be bullish, because you can even see that this intraday zones price did break out and closed. Price did have a bear open which broke below this lows and had a bullish candle close which closed above the lows, and another bullish candlestick above closing to end the week. That also gives me confirmation into seeing price might simply continue moving to the upside, and that just what I anticipate. But we're just looking to be bearish below and be bullish above, and that's just going to be what it is. Looking at Bitcoin, I don't have a trade idea. Price has been moving like this for the past weeks, and I don't fuck with how it's been moving. So for now, what I can do is to just show you guys that we don't have a trade idea. We don't want to see much or add too many confluences. Price is just moving tricky. Let's just avoid that. Even on Ethereum, I don't understand how price has been moving, right? But you can clearly see that price once created this bear channel, that price led into having a breakout, and now we're kind of like in an exhaustion phase, or rather when I say a retest. All we're now looking for is to just wait for price, or to just wait and see that what is going to happen. Is price really going to break, or price for breaking out, or is price really going to continue to the upside based on the confluences that I just added? That we have a bullish flag, we have a bear channel, and we have a breakout, and we kinda on a retest. All we're looking for is for price to continue moving to the upside. But for now, all I can say is we don't have a trade idea. So we do what we move, and that's just going to be what it is. Do you guys get me? So looking at the other page, which is what Ethereum. Okay, let me wait for my laptop for now. Price it's still kind of loading because it was kind of low, right? Yeah. Litecoin, because the nigga love to lit. Even on Litecoin, I don't have a trade idea. Price is just moving sideways. We're creating highs, and you're creating what? And you're creating lows. So until I get confirmation into what I have to do I have to buy? Do I have to just be bullish above? Do I have to be bullish above the zone? Do I have to be bullish above and be bearish below? I don't know. Price is moving sideways, so I don't have a trade idea. Or rather, would I say I'm waiting for confirmation, and that will be it. Looking at the last pair, which is oil. So oil, you guys also know it, that when I'm above a certain zone, I'm bullish. When I'm below, I'm bearish. Now, looking at our current price on oil has closed the week above our zone. So with price closing above the zone, my trade idea is to be bullish above our zone, looking for price to be bullish as long as price don't break below, and to be bearish if price trades below. But you can clearly also see that we are having this bullish channel, that price has been creating what highs, creating lower highs, and tapping and pushing and tapping and pushing. If it happens that price breaks out, or breaks our channel and breaks our zone, then we have too many confluences as to why we have to be bearish. But if it fails breaking out, then we won't have a touch on our break wall, and a fall to break below on our zone, and we look to be bullish. and that will just what it is going to be. If you guys get me. So this is my trade idea. This is what we'll be looking for. Not looking for much, not looking for less. Are we breaking to continue bearish or bullish, or are we failing to break to be to reverse bearish or bullish? We just wait on price and wait on confirmations into what we have to do. But without further ado, don't forget to like and subscribe and share and turn on the notifications so you get notified every time I upload new videos. And just sign up with the broker that I use with the link in my description, and to get a hold of me concerning Forex or my trading course and entrepreneurship for anything. I'm out.